Paper boat. Paper boat. Paper boat. I wanna explain what the paper boat means. This is a paper boat on me, by the way. Paper boat. Do I need to explain the symbolism behind a paper boat, or do you guys kind of understand it? An origami boat. A paper boat. Paper boat. Paper boat. Paper boat. An origami boat. Or a boat made of paper. Well, I don't know. Maybe it's subjective, like most things are in art. So maybe a paper boat means something different to you, but a paper boat to me means, I don't know. It's so fragile, but yet it floats. You know? Does that make sense? Does that make sense? Paper boat. Paper boat. Paper boat. That's gonna be annoying to stop. Paper boat. Paper boat. Paper boat. Okay, Paper boat. Hello, princess. Would you like to see my paper boat? Paper boat. 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 Bye. Sabay? Sababay? Sabababay? Sabababay bye bye. Sababay.